This tutorial guides you through creating custom forms within the Boniii CMS platform. You will learn how to add fields, configure settings, and save your form for use. To create CMS forms, go to the Admin panel and click on the Forms option in the left menu bar. The Forms section will open, where you can click Create New Form to create a new form. As you can see, after clicking the Forms menu, you are taken to the Forms page. Here you can view the forms list and also find the Add New Form option to create a new form. Click the Add Form button to start setting up a new form in the system. When you click Add Form, the Add Form modal will open. Here you need to enter the form name and form type. If you want to receive submission notifications by email, turn on the Notify via Email option. After filling in all the details, you need to save the form to complete the form creation. Once the form is saved, it will appear in the forms list. Now you need to configure the form fields, Schema Config. For this, click the Schema Config icon in the Action button. When you click the Schema Config icon, you will be redirected to the Schema Configuration page. There you will see the Add Field button. Click this button to create and add form fields, schema, for your form. After clicking the Add Field button, the Add Field modal will open. Here you need to enter details such as field label, placeholder, class. Select the field type, and if needed, choose Validation to apply field validation. After filling in all the details, click the Save button to save the field. If you want to add more fields, you can repeat the same process to create additional fields. Click Grid Config to set up the search by columns and sorting columns, as these are required settings. Only after completing this setup will you be able to save the form fields. As you clicked on Grid Config, let's understand what it is. Grid Config is used to manage how your form data is displayed in table format. The fields you created in the schema come together to form the structure of your form, and when data is submitted, it is shown in a table view. In this table, each column represents a form field, like name, email, etc. You can select which columns to display. You can set the order index to arrange columns front or back. You can enable sorting, sort by, on specific columns. You can also define searchable columns for filtering data. All these settings are managed through Grid Config, which controls how your data looks and behaves in the table view. Click the Save button to confirm and save all changes made to the form. After saving the form, we return to the website page. Now to set and display the form on the page, you need to click the Template button. After clicking the Template button, you will see different template options. From these options, click on Form. After clicking Forms, the Add Form Configuration modal will open. In this modal, you will see the Select Form field where you need to click and choose your form. After selecting your form, click Save Changes to apply it. The form will then be added and displayed on your website page. After clicking Save Changes, your form will be added to the website page and displayed like the preview you see. By clicking the Form Template Action button, you will get options to edit, delete, or hide the template. To edit the template, click on the Edit icon. To design the form template, we clicked on Template Edit, which opened the Template Configuration Settings modal. What you are seeing is the form's template design configs. Here you can customize settings like form template title, description, text colors, title and description, container type, and more. Using these options, you can design the template according to your needs. Here you can customize the form submission settings. You can set the Submit button text as per your requirement. When you enable Show Reset button, a reset button will be added, and you can set its label text in the text box provided. And the form can be submitted by a user option. You can choose what fits your use case. Only once. If selected, you need to configure Form After Submit settings. Multiple times. If selected, you can set a success message and also define the Reset button text. These options help you control how users interact with and submit the form. As we learned earlier how to set background styles and templates, you can apply the same here as well. After setting the background style and other configurations, click Save, and all the form template settings will be applied and reflected on the page. You have successfully created and configured a custom form in the Boniii CMS platform. Your form includes required fields, validation rules, and display settings, ready for deployment or further customization.